Time, 9:42 a.m. Date, October 13th. All schools in the county are instructed to remain calm and follow the directives below. Students and faculty, please listen carefully. There has been an incident reported in multiple schools across the district, involving certain faculty members exhibiting abnormal behavior. This message is being broadcast to ensure your safety until further notice. If your teacher stops teaching mid-sentence, remains still for longer than 15 seconds, and begins to smile, leave the classroom immediately. Do not wait for permission. Do not collect your belongings. Do not make eye contact. Proceed calmly to the nearest exit and find a hallway supervisor or security officer. The affected teachers will often attempt to re-engage you in class activities. Their voice will sound correct, but you may notice slight distortions, words repeated, tones stretched too long, or a faint sound underneath, like breathing through water. This is not your teacher. This is it using their mouth. Reports indicate that it begins with the eyes. Students have described a glossy reflection, as though a second set of pupils is forming behind the first. When they blink, the movement is too slow, the lids dragging across the eye like skin being pulled. If this happens, avert your gaze. The reflection is not your own. Do not accept papers, handouts, or assignments from the affected teacher. The paper will appear blank at first, but the words will start to form as you hold it. You may see your name written in a handwriting that doesn't belong to anyone you know. Drop the paper. Do not read past your name. One student in room 204 read the second line, and he hasn't stopped repeating it since. The entity mimicking your teacher will attempt to keep you inside the classroom once it realizes you're leaving. It may block the door or use your name in a pleading tone. It will sound scared. It will sound like someone you care about. Do not listen. The moment it says your name, it knows you. The moment it knows you, it starts changing your face in its memory. Security footage from Eastview Elementary shows an affected teacher standing at the window after the students fled. She remained there for 7 hours, her smile widening until her jaw cracked open. Her reflection in the glass moved a few seconds behind her body. The reflection kept teaching long after she stopped. We have reason to believe the phenomenon spreads through observation. If you watched your teacher begin to change, you may feel the urge to check on them, to see if they're still there. That feeling is not yours. Do not go back. Do not think about what you saw. If you do, it will notice the attention and it will look for you. Lockdown protocols are now in effect for the entire district. Teachers who remain unaffected are instructed to cover mirrors and turn off all projector screens. Students should face the floor. If anyone hears tapping at the window, do not look. That is not outside. That is the reflection asking to come in. Repeat, if your teacher smiles without reason, stops blinking, or begins to hum a tune that no one taught them, leave class immediately. Do not wait for the bell. The bell is not real anymore.